fellow citizens, Ghana for Ghana Cedi no apeke.
Abusia enipa o maso ya hye wo Ghana ha enipa mienu. His Excellency the President John Mahama Ato Forson, Finance Minister Cedi Ato Forson. Ghana for mu hia nchiremu eba ne sei ana Ato Forson Cedi na peke Ghana for Cedi no apeke eye dey ena fedie dollar no so apeke na dollar no achisi na to etwa na chima Cedi to dollar rate no edru etwa mu 12 cedis. Ghana for ebisa Mahama question say enchiremu ene say ye hia nchiremu aha Penyah block media mesro say eni demo obe like video no other am subscribe button so click verification icon of latest updates na be chere wa atwede ama me e wo comment section mesro so baso no I share for so enya bi ahwe eti on the issue of dollar to Cedi rate my many videos on that am even I know akra bro video other say eta chire mu Ghana kai de Mahama betra konya so just 8 months bosin awabo ene be Ghana ye kagina sisi no am bro video on that I will compare you so benya ahwe now kai on the issue of dollar no yere Mahama tena konya so na dollar eda 14 cedis 71 pesos yade akonya ne Mahama 7th January 2025 na dollar eda 14 cedis 71 pesos and from there I started to air cost ro it started air cost ro that time na almost the near egu akwamba say dollar eba from 80 as of 10th January krano Bank of Ghana to $2.8 billion egu economy nimo so that sika beba o menetimi as supported the strength of the cedi adia 2019 Bank of Ghana AABA senka omo to $800 million egu economy nimo am economy na ejina na so is omu ya na economy na ejina na so kakra no Ato Forson be condemn that Ato Forson opposition Ato Forson be kwan wo ho be yedede wo ho
Surprise that in the minister's statement he failed to alert all of us that he has encouraged the Bank of Ghana to print new money worth 22 billion Ghana cedis. Only for us to see it in this document. And you can see it in the media review document, page 97, appendix 2A. And the Bank of Ghana, they have printed 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis. 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis, new money that they have printed without approval of Parliament, without informing all of us. This is illegal. It is against the Bank of Ghana Act. And I want to urge the governor of the central bank that he has engaged in an illegality, gross illegality. And in future, if he is asked to print money, he should first come to Parliament first before he acts. But in the meantime, I'm surprised that our minister responsible for finance failed to talk about it. So what he did today is a nullity. He should come back again and deliver a new media review. Because this is material. It is, in fact, perversive. For a minister to omit the fact that they have taken 22 billion Ghana cedis from the central bank is perversive. I cannot accept it. It is scandalous, and he should have, at least as part of his statement, mentioned to us. Apparently, it is hidden in the appendix 3A. So if you do not have an eye or you don't have a spectacle like I have, then it means you will see it. Appendix 2A. I am saddened.
I say, egu for aban elbow mine bro. Because Cedi na enya hoɔden wɔ dollar anim no enemu eye Bank of Ghana to sika gum and inject sika egu omen but omu ba aban mu just 3 days because the motena kunya so 7th January 2025 exactly 3 days 10th January and a Bank of Ghana to $2.8 billion egu mu that time no Cedi no am peke enti March mu ana gold board SN shares okay ni every week bia no yes we had $250 million ebe support Ghana's economy we to agu mu bi e just sika de sika begu o man mu week bia gold board to $250 million egum na Bank of Ghana so to be gum enti eno e ma Cedi benya ahode e just see me mu na Cedi no apek because even 6 May krano 6 May Bank of Ghana to $490 million egu economy no esi sika de ye to sika gum just omu tugum anasa o be Cedi no enya ahode na dollar ba fom e omu to sika gum omu tugum left right center just ye tugum basa ya tugum basa ya tugum etimemu dollar benya ahode siri benya ahode ema estart say etiaba for that time now aforo a MPP jawo ema omo 14.71 no omba esa aforo koda 15.75 e dey say etiaba from etia memu etia within a month dollar tibeda as low as in cedis 30 pesos ema media budget no Ato Forson everyday hold on can say Ghana for Cedi no apeke
US dollar 30.3% against the British pound and 25.6% against the euro. This is a significant improvement over the Cedi depreciation of 18.6%, 17.9% and 16.0% against the US dollar, British pound and the euro. Mr. Speaker, I repeat, so far, we have almost reversed all the Cedi depreciation in 2022, 2023, and 2024. This level of appreciation has never happened in the history of our country. Mr. Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, fellow citizens, Ghana Cedi no apeke. Cedi no.
Wow. Cedi no apeke. E man Ato Forson start agent monyam eti omugas any good board no because no anybody be say good for oil policy na ba omi aye e na aboa ana Mahama say omunyai masa munyai enya ba omi oni mu ohwe na emom no Ato Forson me bo adwuma Ato say me bo adwuma me bo adwuma
maybe a finance minister in January, I think 24th or so, when I became the Minister of Finance. Within a month, and I yabo more than yabo ama or year treasury bill rate wabafo. And me took office now, it was going like that. So within a month, we were able to turn it around. You know, I'm MPP for ya. That one more kind. Oh, artificial, you are manable crope. Oh, bet was and nature to the car of Coco the year, bet was and nature this year. How many months? February, March, April, May, June, July. In fact, it has even improved. It has even improved. And they said the same thing. Since Cedi started, they appreciate also you 1 week after the following week or bet too free. What are we saying? The city is still stable.
What I say? I look at how Kabaka say, gold board na buy, and now support every Cedi no apeke nya ahode. But as I speak today, dollar 12 cedis 6 pesos. Afro atra 12 cedis. 12 cedis 6 pesos. I'm a Bloomberg the report Abba said now no. And we are seeing a sika the one year den sika airtime Abba Cedi. We are seeing a sika and when nim ahodi nim na any sama any sunsun Ghana Cedis. Na no ana media no so. Among for Mahama only Ato Forson now no then am ka fa ho munchiri mo pa des na say dollar na artificial na modern da Ghana for and I said them mo mechire nsem mo na mo nyai QNet nsem mo nchire nsem ya nti ase
mahu ba bi a dollar no e koduru apo cashman no a okoche sika wo sa akwatia no obeka kire nse bedu July na dollar no ma work ama na si 3 cedis ene mahu so DJ egu om so wahu ba bi a dollar na koduru Bloomberg a report say edru 11.95. Say Bank of Ghana omo come to reality omo report to 11.75. Abochi still other league, you know, so Abochi no still on the lead league, you know, 12.95, almost 13. Now you can say enye bibi surunku a aban foforo no e ba ya wo maye na ade a asesa ne say President John Mahama by January no the prices of gold akosro. In fact, before Obano, that the price of an ounce of gold was around $1,800, but a shoe almost 50%, equal $2,400 per ounce. The same with cocoa. Cocoa also price issue to kosoro. And no tikra na me tikra says almost the 128 here. Now say cocoa ekwa no mubufu more. Cocoa price almost double because of investors are looking for safe haven. On the cost with US instability na the sanction at all. So I Ghana I 10% baby a day fano. So these three things, the uncertainties that has come about because of Trump's administration, two, increment in a price of gold and cocoa on the international internet. Sika bebre. Na instance here this can be to what is about miamu ya no more building reserve from 8.7 by 30.9 you know. And omo buy almost we di sika no pompi sika ni gu economy nim. Meanwhile businesses for no muhia dollars no kra no mun san kan dollars no. So at the end of the day entimi and trickle down ama. Entimi and trickle down ama. You can you baby and just yesterday now me check transaction be in dollars just yesterday scanner and me check is gonna by $1,000 yan cry is can kitchen you and now more millions the mamudie you can no cry na mompe mo baba be di atem oba like na share
say Ghana city e bomb. And you say many agiu. Last month, na madam for bam honam cashin say. Me the bomb come cashin say. Master the bibi who say. Dala ni city na aba from enye normal. Ono say adonam so. We share Togo. Any country around us now. Omusika esanda bibi eda. E koshu. E na Ghana kwa die no. Aba from. And see your no on my strategy be no mother stabilize the can for some time. And also me boy. Kasha say Bank of Ghana amba out. Ambe kasa and to tunye me anye 1 to be a bedu December no. Na dollar nam 25 cedis against cedis. Or say in Sidan, e be in Sidan say share sister. And I did chinya room no ma start to up to ene. And bro from say me be from city stand e be yasemo tactics thinking and analysis because we compare other countries around us now. Happen I say isika any dollar abafo kasha say ye wu ankai and say ye do but an credit e back up an credit e back up because I say and say me de but woman credit yen fan rule Ghana na Ghana nye de ye nya be bre nya ye wum
me say we bisa Bank of Ghana for my say yeah, mama, no, me wake up, my specific. Me, mamma, back one about what brute. You are schools, okay. And so on the 4th year, I was so good to your school fees. Or what bank ya? Bank is $1 in a binny one more. Bank is a binny hole. So I was about bonting. So a Bank of Ghana rating now more the AD Juma Ewa banks no, and ye Juma Ewa bonting. What better $100 and so I bonting out the consua. Tia, you bet to one charge the bet to Sonia the kit. See, ye beside no pay say. Bank of Ghana dollars no ebi wo banks na say it is
madam ebi ni o ebi ni bank ho you say dollar na ebi ni ho hwe obi abie dollar account a wo kwaso okoyi ni dollar no kra no onu abie dollar account no a wo de dollar agu ono agu account ni mu no okwaso okoyi dollar no ye busa na say oyi dollar no de akoye den oyi dollar no e de akoye den hwe omo mba ko school amanone aburuchire a omo pay dollars ati omo man school fees no ye omo ko omo si dollar ebi ni ho and the gold dealers gold omo deal with gold first no omo to one blade na do pencil one blade no omo to one blade 13 million to 14 million 1,004 1,003 and ne aban we buy what is can you say who and then one blade is 7 million 6.5 1 pound gold 1 pound no motor nanado pencil 140 million 135 million and now buy we buy ye to 1 pound 74 million and it's 70 million gold for akoma no atum every say omo na ye beto aba no nanado pencil omo sisa ayi e manfo gu kam so mon ko to abanitia baumia and the good for mutimi nkasa mano adwo mombra na mombe kasa ye tumufo no na mo pusa mo baabi enman no etia yi na yetim ena ko street yi na yesutim obi abegye ne de o man wiem obi abegye ne de ba ko yi na ne ho bekyere
Sam George be catch there say Cedi no ahoɔden aba soro nti BSP before 14 days Oma reduce your price obegye your license just this quarter Cedi no ahoɔden aba from 13.47%. Bloomberg is reporting that it is the worst currency in the world. In fact, it is behind Argentina and even countries that are warring. Worse, Argentina ESP before in 60 years because they know they have managed the economy, they have been within the economy for far too long than even Sam George. 30 good years in Ghana. They know that our currency, by virtue of the fact that our economy is import driven, it is not stable. So you cannot use outlier whatever decisions and make decisions based on outlier outcomes. In terms of Monto Mobu Asemaye, kiki, akosi say, man who be edu. Say dear, wonya ne 13 yikura or market ne kura ne nyame na aboa. Worse, because the way you were managing it, nothing has changed in the economy. As I say when you kuro, na instead say obenya kuro, no the lavender found. Ebe yo hwamu na kuro ni tua, that is our economy. But mo the propaganda and a saying, and asisano, and a two is forcing, and the way you saying, Modesa, and Yabedru baby a dream. Can you tell them, revoke their license, they will take you to court and then go and do intellectual analysis for you to see, say, it is not about being bossy, it is not about just stop talking, it's about intellect as well. And now you're more to me and for mine now. Revoke their license. Because whatever is happening now, they are justified not to have reduced. They are justified. They have managed, they have been with us for 30 years. Who ban and say, reduce your price? Do you think they do propaganda and normally making decisions?
Ghana for say the Abochi and our president Ghana ha. Abochi and the finance minister Ghana ha. Abochi onwa ne sansuye governor of the Bank of Ghana. Arentina mikasa. Mesre say afi no adwani afansabo plus sign so. Follow me, comment, na share ma foforo no mehwe video yi bi. Mumye ko tie video bi, ye ko he video bi a. Traders and exporters complaining bitterly ache aban say omukọ banka omunya dollar ento.
I go to the bank, they'll ask you, give us some time. Meanwhile, you have your dollar account. Call Abochi. Abochi will give you dollar. Less than 30 minutes, you have your dollar. So who is controlling the affairs of the economy? Is it Abochi people?
The Abochi people are controlling the
economy. They will tell you that who will run the affairs, who manage the economy for you. See, on paper, the covers mentioned it on paper. But the reality is, the Abochi will determine who, when and how you get the dollar. How can you tell me dollar is 10 point something? Then you need dollar. You need to get 13 cedis before you have a dollar.
See, for the past 2 weeks, I saw transfer 80,000 USD. My woman to me.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Me number 26. And the governor share me catch them. Me share me catch them. So now they are inciting us against our customers.
Abusia, mo share video enya reho. Eya abotisem. If he say, omukora omunya dollar ni binto. No mo dey ayemu business. Nti omani abre. Omani abre nyina no bi anform because His Excellency Ibrahim Gao. His Excellency Ibrahim Gao. Ono no president Ghana ha. Because the president is sleeping. The governor is dozing off. And the finance minister is snoring. He doesn't know what is going on. Only clue of what is going on isi awoko banka unya dollar nto omano ye dia akoshe abochi nsa nti abochi na running economy of Ghana as at now me no ka say sisi ya abochi e na running Ghana economy because president no oni hu hwe ye no oni hu hwe finance minister die Nana Akufo-Addo ene the government here no mo tafre ho omo me anything new omo fa anything new emeka de wo ho no ho die Nana Akufo-Addo ene Dr. Baumia ye no ena NDC for eti ho no mo tafre ho te se o ka so ko pe dollar this okwa abochi ho on paper dollar omo say 10.5 eso kwa abochi wa 13.5 traders ni nya bi nto nti technically no omo be ko abochi ho akwakoji dollar na oti omamu na president any clue of what is going on. Finance minister is sleeping ena obia eda abochi will run your economy. It is sia me no ka say abochi ena all regulate Ghana economy no na be ni yetimi stabilizing your Ghana. It's pathetic. Na more business for no traders and exporters mo na mujiji sika edi ko boa John Mahama campaign so ba ba $30 so ama nyoma ko yi amamo ena almost dollar ni 10.5 on paper but okwa unya dollar ni binto afi na musu o twin bebre ana bofo so bebre.
It is possible nyango po share so follow sanoko o video ya like share na comment follow me for ensemble plus signs and let's build this community together. Azantana Mahama NDC for video mo fantage akwana na pantan eni ni ti se swam run about paddle more no waka say NDC for say omo de Cedi no omo de dollar ni be ba 3 Cedi hono mpeso mu begina ene de ba ne say na de Cedi na be the worst performing currency and the dollar and I'm 12.6. Yakasa mo fa aseda e ma large Dr. Mahmoud Baumia am office yeyem ye be kan no kwetche mo say NDC adi said the economy ni si ko bi no munim na ni so omunim na ni so no omunim e skirmishes any the NPP aban e be ye to ho ena omu hu said wo besi fa regulating ena miracles on AC matwa sika over 4.4 billion e de gum dollars matwa gum e de support Cedi ne say the Cedi be gina na so on sa fe de World Bank ka kire mo say mo fa books ni mra no mo hwehwem no mo nye se de mo ye no na mo dwinze bia ye di agro ene businessmen almost a day. Dollar one year thing, Oko Banga Unya Binto. And the online 12.6. Let me tell you, Oko Abochi was Oko dollar and I'm 16, 14 to 16. I'm telling you. A bit the more 14, a bit the more 16, a bit the more 15. Ye catch them, mighty. This is just the beginning. How the dollar and I'm Moshe? Ye catch them say NDC ni because be the Magana. More being say yem. And the businesses and near my boy started to rise it. More hard driver for the mate for and more wanted transportation so at the thing near my so for so my woodum. Wanted to near my so wanted to near my so now dollar above from ye can and yes ye can be easy be ye diabolo. Motion was ya air coso. Nana mo say be a good year another day. And ya good you NPP no. We have the men, we have the scholars, we have the men, and some of us we study the trend. We study even the big country, the advanced country, the developed country. Now, the ACC, they are not joking. The dollar is not joking. The euro is not joking. The pounds is not joking, bro. Na mama Ato Forson betina ke kan kwasi asemo kire mo adi ekeke chantro ene mama let me tell you something enche ye besa atoto ke tie enche traders importers moko fa niema moko exporting mo be fa niema mo export ko Ghana moko busa import duty moko hwe sika nkofo tua o port ene anwabo besa rise banchebo ebesa rise bode bo ebesa rise ye kan na mudwin say ye di akoro asiafo amunitiri ye can people thought say bia is a joke ye time NDC ye time NDC me say Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia pe can save the economy of Ghana. Only DMB and Dr. Matthew Prempe as his vice president, they can save Ghana from this crisis. Ayuko. Say Adiana enye DMB ene na poa tumuda. Missing Yankopon de Yakwachia, a dame men that join the Son of God, may your life. We are streeting for NPP. You have put NPP chat. Never be a coso. You can NDC as some more being say a boy. Now, some of them will be my Ghana. And the head, I'm out.
Now, Bloomberg for say Ghana's currency is the worst performing currency in the world. In fact, in this quarter, it has depreciated by 13%, 13.47% to be precise. Worst currency. Now, before we were getting here, the appreciation was artificial. Into over 2 gold reserve. Into yentombi, yenfa njampo 1.5 billion, yenfa 2 economy. You can want some say more because Sikroya onaya yemia yenfa lavender and katasum fa lavender muso. But these people still did that. Fast forward, we are here again. Then NDC for me no be aka say be na emesre. Obi so ndo yetua ne ka dollars. Into no cry there. Depreciation no cry anything. Ono me de ne beto achi but NDC ni pa de bia me chiro bibi o Facebook oba no say and he has now recognized the economy is import driven. NDC bad here who say economy is import driven. Now import driven no amobile no. The only way is to industrialize. Ain't no be the one district, one factory buy. Because until the economic fundamental is changed, nothing can change. Nothing can change in terms of the Forex. November, December, it could be worse because said that time a lot of people will need money to go and procure stuff for the Christmas. What you say? And it's hard and a worse. And I'm here propaganda and about me I sing and you be find 3 cities and ye say and ye say and the same argument the bemamo. The same argument after na who say Ghana economy importer. Okay, ati importer. What's your solution? 24-hour economy now is supposed to help us industrialize. Mobile mabe scrap one district, one factory. Nanado anyade. What's wasa? What is your option? 24-hour economy. How are you playing it out? Industries are here now, maybe. Before say parliament, each parliament ever call recession. The majority then after working, said there were certain companies that they needed some tax rebate in order to increase their production and employ more people. You fought it. You virtually closed down parliament. I feel they all say ya basically the same thing. I can want them. Also, also. Enti import and I who say Ghana import driven economy is been with us. Enti the same argument here the Bemamo.
I was on her post here, damn so here. But they are kind. Well, we would party. Now we are 2 weeks ago, and John Mahama Ato Tokyo. And our country we are seeing now say Ghana Cedi is the best performing currency in the whole world. And indeed, I am correct. Now, okay, I am say as after so what na no boss we I had in some. na John Mahama mkuru ya ana okoka say oh NDC for the omoba ban mu a eya ntokwa ni boko efiri ho na ntokwa na sa kan ho gidigidi ama ne wo mako ama ni page se awu ho enya agro wono mo dayar sabia tu aka wo mo dayar sabia enya agro ya me no kase John Mahama entimi enka ahwemfa ho ntimi nso sa ntokwa no a wo se NDC for ba ban mu a ena eho no ntokwa no enye de enka no ana se enye na cheso o chire mo indirectly no before ana masa ntokwa na de eba de nkaya am se de John Mahama de na no beboso bia no nanka na aye basa na aye pinse because 2 weeks ago ko kan say dollar no say the Ghana cedi na gina na so ti o munyina mra na certainly uba ya ubeduru ha no a na esiama mo yi choko no amode atwoke dollar no ama de say no currency ni na demdika ya me no ka say dollar ko abochi kure ton no 16 cedis eni achiri sisi ame no ka say dollar euro anen nam 12 cedis no enen nam 14 cedis pounds anen nam 13 point something no enen nam 16 cedis point something no edum kwa ton 17 cedis oh enti aja don yesra wo eni ase amankasa na onfa choko no sanfa choko no to ho mai enyi sese na pesa dollar no anase sika no mu yedu ebedu bronya no a eba na sa na ye ofa mo beba nti o mbeba beduru na nka sika na ewo mo ho na nka enya bia wai sabre de wi na se o mo mfie ti yesra mo san choko no mai wate na bronya ne yedu na mo yi e de mu yi kura mo san sum na tiko se be ye be ko na ye ofa mo ba ye nya sika na kakra ye den age edi na sese de ye nya hwe wo ho ti yesra mo hwe na mo nya ho bibi ma ye wai
24-hour economy.
NDC asemi ya mecheme a national security me dampa mu ba bia me hye no nim na me bisa se mo bia nkan kire Mahama no ma mecheme o 24-hour economy no ayeden atonsuo mu ana se debi o wo muguso mo ye 2419 penny kofo ye twiadi ade debi em se omu hypnotize Ghana for me sure so omu hypnotize omu hypnotize yen ana debi omu hypnotize okay ma hunu ka omu hypnotize yen omu ye dru abaye kotu ye 24 hour na ye gina so kotu no obi si free education wo ba no ba now ye hu so mpupu na 24 hour economy no ebron so board ye tia na ti onti ba dokron so ma afom ye wuye Ghana
ubet ma tire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media.